Hello and welcome, and thank you for checking out my video, Learn to Trade, where I think I'm going to start heading down the path of kind of some tips and tricks, some things that have helped me through my adventure of becoming a trader and has helped, I believe, some of my students over the 8-year career that I've been doing this. So this morning, here's the 5 o'clock trade that I'm taking. And again, I'm huge on being a very big rule follower at the very beginning of your trading, and I think your rules will evolve, but having a very basic, simple trade plan lets you kind of start paying attention to maybe what's going on. So this is one of our pressure indicators, and both of the pressures are pointing up. So we're going to take a buy trade. Now, there's some things that I like about this trade, and there's some things that I don't like about this trade. And so anytime you're taking a trade, journaling the things that you like and maybe the things that you don't like, or if you believe it would go up and hit your take profit or maybe go down and hit your stop loss. So we're going to take a buy trade. And then I'm going to show you some examples of some things that I like a little bit more, maybe to give me that confidence to want to click the button, um, or have a higher confidence level to click the button. So very simple. The ATR is 10. We're going to double it. And we're going to take a buy trade. And then we're going to go forward. Candle goes against us and would hit our stop loss. So I talk about something, I call it momentum or maybe a step pattern. And I'm going to show you a couple examples. So this one was just with the green pressure on top, pointing up and pointing up. It was the first time it kind of went above and tested the pressure. But let's see if we can find a little step pattern happening. So green is on top. I like taking the trade with either a buy trade with green on top or a sell trade with red on top. It's kind of the start or the start of a sell cycle or start of the buy cycle. But this is what I'm talking about with the momentum. Okay? Or a step pattern might be even a better way of looking at it. So we kind of have this low point here, and then we kind of come up. We have another red green candle right here, and as we can see, those two lower points are stepping up. So if we come here, now the ATR is 11, so we're going to double that to 22. We're going to take a buy trade, and let's see. I'm just kind of having that, or maybe a check and go is not a bad name to call it. So it goes up and hits into our favor. So as we move forward, get another example. It kind of happened there again. Maybe we have another little buy there on the second part of the buy cycle. So here would be kind of the example, where we'd want to jump into maybe a sell trade based off the basic rules. But what if we held out just a minute to make sure maybe the momentum, I guess is a good way to look at it, is in our favor. So we have red on top, the price got below. Now it's starting to go back against us. And then here we go. We again get that little step. So kind of here's this green red level. Kind of come down, get this here. We're kind of get that momentum going in our favor. And let's see, the one that didn't have the check pattern didn't work out too well for us. This one with the check pattern or the step pattern worked out. And this one as well with the step pattern let's see if it works out. Still ATR the same. Take another sell trade. Again, a little bit of example right there. Goes down. Awesome. Let's see if we get maybe one more here. So again, we're starting to get it moving up into our favor. We have green on top, which I like. Here we go, right here, right? This would be kind of an example. Back here, we haven't got that momentum in our favor yet. Right? So maybe we want to skip that one. Let's see what happens. This is kind of starting to get out of the realm of my trading window. Usually I like to trade for about 30 minutes or have students only start to trade for 30 minutes. But this one again, if we took the buy trade here, see what would happen. There we go. Lost right away. So something to even look for. Maybe waiting for multiple things to kind of start helping or having in your favor will give you that better win percentage. So with the little step pattern or the momentum, went 2 for 2, and I'm not always going to win. But without the step pattern or the momentum, what I call in my favor, went 0 for 2. All right, everybody, hopefully this helped you out. If you like this, subscribe, like, hit the bell. If you want to know more information about this, hit me up in the comments. Other than that, everybody have a wonderful day, and thank you again so much. Bye, everybody.